Okay, today we are going to do problem solve of lesson number 12, how big and how heavy. Here, come on, number 1. If 250 gram cashew nuts cost rupees 200, how much will a kilogram of cashew nuts cost? Here it is written a kilogram, that means 1 kilogram. 250 gram cashew nuts cost rupees 200. Then what is a 1 kilogram cashew nuts? Here, first of all, write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Then write a statement. 250 gram. So 1000 gram cashew nuts cost question mark. Here it is cross multiplication. So 1000 multiplied by 200 upon 250. 1010. 25 fours are 100. And 4 into 200, that means 800 rupees. So 1000 gram cashew nut cost rupees 800. That means 1 kilogram cashew nut cost rupees 800. Here the second one. The food in a hostel is to include 150 gram of paneer every day for each student. If there are 35 students in the hostel, how much quantity of paneer is required in daily? In the hostel, they are preparing paneer sabji. So for one students, they are using 150 gram of paneer. And here total 35 students are there in the hostel. So how much paneer they are using for 35 students? Write down statement. One student, 150 gram paneer. So 35 students. Paneer use question mark gram. So 150 multiplied by 35 gram. Two digit, first step 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 down, 1 up. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. 5 into 0, 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 down, 2 up. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. Empty place, put 0 and put plus sign. Now 0 into 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12, 2 down, 1 up and 1 plus 4, 5. Total 5250 gram paneer is used. That means 5 kilogram, 250 gram paneer. Answer: in a hostel, 5 kilogram, 250 gram paneer used for 35 students. So for one students 150 gram and 35 students total 5 kilogram 250 gram paneer used. Okay. Number 3. A dozen dictionaries weigh 15 kilogram 900 gram. If all of them weigh the same, how much does dictionary weigh? Look at here. Here dozen means 12 pieces. Okay, dozen means 12 pieces. If all 12 pieces of dictionary's weight is 15 kilogram 900 gram, all dictionary's weight is same. Then what is the weight of one dictionary? 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. Okay. So 12 dozen, 12 dictionary weight 15 kilogram, 900 gram. So each dictionary weight. Question. First of all, 15 kilogram, 900 gram is equal to, first we will convert into gram. 15900, that means 15,900 gram, and divide by 12. First of all, 12 ones are 12. 5 minus 2, 3, 0. Take 9 down. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 9 minus 6, 3, 0. Take 0 down. 12 twos are 24. Not possible, borrow from here. Here we will write 2 and here 10. 10 minus 4, 6, 2 minus 2, 0. Take 0 down. 12 fives are 60. So each dictionary weight is 1325 gram. 1325 gram weight. That means convert into kilogram gram. 1 kilogram 325 gram. Answer. Each dictionary weight (1 kilogram 325 gram) equally. All dictionary weight is same. Now the next sum here, a kilogram of rice costs rupees 45. That means 1 kilogram rice cost is rupees 45. I have rupees 360. How much rice can I buy with the money I have? See, in my purse I have 360 rupees. I am going to the market. I want to buy rice. 1 kilogram rice is 45. I have 360 rupees in my purse. So how much kilogram I will buy? Come on, write down statement. ₹45. 45 rupees, 1 kilogram rice cost. So 360 rupees I have in my purse. So how many kilogram? Rice I can buy. For I have 360 rupees. Actual price is 45 rupees per 1 kilogram. Now I want to buy. How many I can buy? So here 360 divided by 45. How many kilogram I can buy? So here I will write kilogram. Now 360 divided by 45. We don't know the table of 45. I also don't know. So let's start counting. 45 5s are. I start from 45 5s are. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 45 6 7s are. 7 5s are 35. 4 7s are 28. 29 30 31. No. Let's try. 45 8s are. 8 5s are 40. 4 is a 32, 32 plus 4, 360. So 45 is a 360. So I can buy 8 kilogram rice from this 360 rupees. So I can buy 8 kilogram rice from 360 rupees. Which I have in my purse. Next sum, number 5. Last year John weighed 66 kilogram 425 gram. Since then he has put on weight 5 kilogram 375 gram of weight. What is his weight now? Okay, here we have to do the addition or subtraction. Addition, because his weight is 66 kilogram 400. Then he put on Put on means he gained. So here we will do the addition sum. Write down 66 kilogram, 425 gram John weight plus 5 kilogram 375 gram weight put on. Empty place put 0 always. Make a line. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 down, 1 up. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 0 down, 1 up. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Now 6 plus 5, 11. 1 down, 1 up. 1 plus 6, 7. Now John's weight. Answer. John weight is now 71 kilogram 800 gram. Here the next. A cook used 225 gram of flour every day. How much flour does he use in a week? Cook is making food in the kitchen. Every day he is using 225 gram flour. So in 1 week, that means 1 week, how many days? 7 days. So 1 day, cook used 225 gram flour. So 7 days, cook used flour question mark gram. So here we will do the multiplication. Seven fives are 35. 5 down, 3 up. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 3, 15, 16, 17. 7 down, 1 up. 7 twos are 14 plus 1, 15. 1575 gram flour used. We can also write 1 kilogram 575 gram. Answer. Cook used 1 kilogram 575 gram flour in a week. Next, 470 gram tea leaves is taken out of a tea chest that had 5 kilogram of tea. How many grams of tea are left in the tea chest? Tea chest is there are so many tea leaves. So here 475 gram tea leaves taken out from 5 kilogram of tea. So how many tea is left in a tea chest? So here we will do the subtraction sum. 5 kilogram, here 475 gram tea leaves taken out. Here gram is not mentioned, so we have to write here 000 gram total tea minus 475 gram tea leaves taken out. 475 gram tea leaves taken out. Nothing is given in a gram, so we will write 0 gram. Here also nothing is given. Here is kilogram is given and here is gram is given. So here in the gram place we have to mention 000 and kilogram place also we have to mention 0. Okay. Now subtraction we have to borrow. 0 are there, so it is not possible. We have to borrow from next. Here is not possible. Here is also not possible. Borrow from here. Here 4. Then here 9 will left. Here 9 will left, and here 10 will come. Now 10 minus 5. 5. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 4, 5. And 4 minus 0, 4. T left. Answer. Peanut teaches 4 kilogram, 525 gram. T left. Thank you.